Is your Windows operating system reporting the nlsdata0000.dll failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. As we prepare to resolve nlsdata0000, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the nlsdata0000, the Base NLS National Language Support data library. This module houses the primary unmanaged mapping tables for Unicode to ANSI conversion, character casing, and primary locale data, LCID 0000. It is the foundational orchestrator for the visual manifestation of all system-level localized text strings and date and time data links. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scannow in an administrator CMD to ensure nlsdata0000.dll is restored to its original verified state. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the nlsdata0000 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful. No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install nlsdata0000.dll, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for nlsdata0000 references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing nlsdata0000 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.